Hey, what's up, guys? I'm back, and today I'm gonna be playing a little bit of Unturned again. And I started a new map on my own because I don't need friends. I already started it a little bit before this. I got everything. The Spec Ops top and bottom is because that's my set class, and I'm gonna try out the new California map, which honestly I looked at it and I don't like it that much, but I just wanna take in the scenery of everything. Okay, so there's a hotel up here, and there's a washing machine on the middle of the road. A tactical cap? What? Hold up. What's the point of Mr. Tactical Cap up here? Nothing, nothing. I don't like it's pink. I don't like it. I'm not wearing it. It is not helpful to my survival, and I do not wish to use it. It looks like something on the floor over there, so I'm gonna go check that out. Oh, nope, just got clickbaited. It's just a rock. I love the lighting in this game, honestly. It just looks really nice. Like the little glare on my screen and everything. Okay, I need to walk around here tactically, because I know there's going to be zoobies around here. Security guard cap. Security shirt. This is new. These are not mods either. This is just... Oh, that's pretty wacky. Security guard cap looks pretty interesting. Okay, so these guys are not going to be very helpful to me. Ooh, Sterling. It helps I have a crossbow, so that I can just reclaim the ammo once used. It's gonna break, but I mean still, it's better than not using anything. It's better than nothing. I might get a knife and start stabbing everybody in the way. Oh, ATMs, that's interesting. It's a pretty interesting hotel. It's huge. Golf club. Flashlight, that's useful. And I'm gonna be hopefully doing this legit and not cheating at all. How about these? I wonder what happens if I drink glue. Oh, yo. Ah! I can't move. What the heck? When I press right, it moves left. When I move left, it moves right. That's so wacky. Ooh, Mafia. Security suit. Mafia tux. I might just wear the Mafia tux. I'm gonna wear the Mafia tux. Khaki pants. Oh yeah, definitely with the Mafia tux. Wait, what's in here? Just another Mafia tux. Oh shoot! Jeez. Oh, binoculars, that helps. Bruh, top hat. Let me wear the top hat. Yeah. Oh, I should have worn my monocle, because I have a monocle, because I got the gold version of Unturned. So I could be wearing my monocle right now. Actually, I might just do that. I might literally change out of my shades to turn into my monocle. Oh, he's a Mafia Don right here. He has a pool cue. Smack me with a pool cue. There's nothing down here that I need. At least I don't think there's anything down there I need. There's gonna be food around here, like chips and stuff. Got a kitchen knife? Yeah, give me that. Okay, so that's gonna be useful when there's people or when there's zombies that are close and I'm not gonna waste my ammo, or in fact I don't have any. What's that? Oh, it's a cash register. I was like, what is that? And what is its function? $5. Here's another hotel. I think this might be the little hotels. I think this might be like the normal hotels, because I think the others are the suites. It's just a fact that whenever you go to a hotel, you always want the top floor. Because then, wait, Fedora, hold up. Oh yeah. Yo. Now I'm wearing a tux and a fedora. Now I feel like a god. I'm untouchable now. Ooh, day pack. Okay, now I have a little bit more space. Corduroy pants. Alright, I might just wear the corduroy pants. Make it some white pants, that'd be really nice. I don't think there's any zombies around here, honestly. There might be. I might be just like turning a corner and see a zombie right in my face. Oh, I'm out of energy. Alright. I'm gonna eat some lettuce. That's really good. Alright, cool. Cheese. I know a man that is a cheese connoisseur. Apparently, umbrellas slow your fall. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Whee! Yo, that's so cool. I'm gonna jump out like the. I'm gonna jump off the top of this building with the umbrella in my hand. That'd be pretty sick. Can I get up there? Can I get up there? I think I might not be able to. Doesn't matter. Jump. Whee! That's so cool. Alright. So, now that I have a car, I might... Oh, wait. I'm a Mafia Don. So, I'm gonna take... So, this is a sedan. And this, the Sterling. You know, I'm pretty inclined to take the Sterling. But I need to clear the area first. Ooh, there's a laundry room right there. I'm gonna check that out right now. Gotcha. Alright, I'm gonna check out that laundry room. Duffel bag. Windbreaker. Nah, I think that might take over my... What's it? The day pack and the duffel bag are the same size. Oh, the travel pack is a lot bigger than the day pack. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go back into my Sterling. I'm gonna try to make my way over to the Big Sur Resort. And I'm gonna see if I can get any fuel along the way. Dang, I like the sound of this car. You probably can't hear it in the recording, but it sounds pretty nice. Oh, yo, look at the headlights. That looks pretty sick. Ooh, there's a military thing over here. I'm gonna grab that. Okay. I don't like doing it in third person. Because like this, you can't aim at all. With this, you can. Gotcha. Because it's so much quieter with this, because you just refill. Ooh, military shirt. That adds no space. Oh, yo, military knife. That's so much better than my kitchen knife. I'm not gonna grab a beret first. Berets suck. Yo, an actual gun. Actually, nah, I'm not gonna take that gun because I don't like that gun. The gun doesn't look cool. Therefore, I'm not taking it. That's how I function. I'm gonna run around as a Mafia Don, killing all the zombies. Ooh, barbed wire. That would be helpful later on. This ammo crate too. I think I'm gonna hold on to this. I'm gonna wear the military bottom. Yeah, that gives me a lot more space. That is a polymer magazine. That is an interesting choice of magazine. Ooh. Ew. That's gross. Disgusting. Be gone. Other military knives. Some smoke. That could. Oh, yo, Peacemaker. Let's go. Okay. I need more ammo because the Peacemaker uses a lot of ammo. I think this guy might drop a good backpack. Oh, another Peacemaker magazine, dude. Yeah, one magazine emptied means that I'd need like 3 different little ammo boxes. Oh, grenade. Oh, no, that's a beret. Disgusting. Is there anything other than that? Because I am definitely in need of ammo. That's just a fact. There we go. Alright, I think I cleared out this entire area. Wait, what's that up there? Oh, that's a spotlight. I was like, what's that? Anyway. Is that a tank trap? Oh, that's a knife. I'm out of stuff. Surprised I didn't find any MREs out here. Okay, so that's military checkpoint that I just looted. There's not many places. Oh, that right there, look. That right there looks interesting. Alright, let's get back in this. Let's go. And I'm gonna keep saying Sterling in a British accent, cause sounds more British. Dude, this thing goes fast. Jesus. Oh, yeah, there's security out here. Okay, killed one security. Yeah, I'm not liking it. I'm gonna have to change the monocle. I will be back in a sec once I'm done changing with the monocle. Alright, I'm back, and as I opened up Unturned, and I got back in California, this kid right here decided to start attacking me, and he almost got me killed, but I'm healing back, and I'm good now, I think. I'm gonna kill this kid over here, and chill. Okay, there's one more over there, but I'm gonna get over to the Big Sur Resort. Hopefully I can find some fuel. If not, I might have to, you know, do the thing. The not cool thing, but I might have to do it. Cause I'm not losing this Sterling, because this Sterling's a pretty cool car. Actually, I think I might just make my way over to the big city over in Calabasas. I think that's the name at least. Not sure. Okay. God, I'm about to die. Too many zoobies. I'm just gonna try to infiltrate this little area. Infiltrate. And then, ooh, there might be some stuff up here. Because this is a... Ooh, okay, there's a compound bow over here. Fishing rod, Schofield, corn, tomatoes, travel pack, hoghound. Oh, I might take that bedroll. I'm gonna take this compound bow and I'm gonna strip it of its ammo, so that I have more ammo for my crossbow, because the crossbow is better than the compound bow, because the crossbow has better sights. Hopefully I can find a... Actually, is there any binoculars up in here? There might be. Do I have 2 binoculars or just one? I have just 1 binocular. Because if I get another one, I might be able to make a makeshift scope out of it. I'm gonna drop that green one or the purple one. I'm gonna get the green one. Okay, I can't find. Oh, is that a wetsuit? No, that's a black shirt. So instead of, so I'm just gonna get more binoculars. Okay, there we go. If I go into, where would I go? Here? No, that's cooking. Nope, none of this. Okay, here requires crafting 1 skills. Crafting 1 skill. Okay. Now, hopefully, I can make it. Yep, there we go. So now I have better sights than those dumb crossbow iron sights, which I can now just toss on the floor. I don't have to worry about it. Okay, so I already have a bedroll. Ooh, headlamp. Now I can drop this flashlight and I won't need it. Honestly, I wish there was I could make a makeshift tactical light on my gun. Ooh, another crossbow. I'm gonna strip this crossbow and toss it back on the floor. Ooh, canteen. Okay, so this is gonna be really helpful on chart. It's gonna be really helpful on when I'm out of water and I don't have anything that can give me water. But there's no wells anywhere nearby, I don't think, because I would need a well or a sink or something. Ooh, right here has a bunch of stuff in it. Okay, so there's a wetsuit right here. Ooh, a master key. I'm gonna take that because I saw like 8 different. I saw like 8 billion shotgun shells earlier. Corn, snorkel. Okay, I'm gonna go back for the arrow. I'm gonna go back for the shotgun shells because I saw more shotgun shells. Is that an arrow? Yep, that wasn't it. More shotgun shells. No, give me more shotgun shells. Give me more shotgun shells. Okay. Another arrow. Eat. Eat. More shotgun shells. Tomato. Okay, this is not good. I'm running out of space, so I might have to switch out the tuxedo for other stuff. But there's nothing here to switch out for. That's not good. I'm gonna strip the master key and pick up the other master key. I'm gonna eat the lettuce and I'm gonna pick up the 12 gauge, the 20 gauge. I think that might be it. Yeah, there's more 20 gauge in here. I'm out of space. Why? I dropped potato for 12 gauge. Is that 12 gauge? No, I meant to say 20 gauge. I'm out. I'm out. Run. They can't catch me. I'm too fast. Oh, never mind. I'm not too fast. So I'm gonna make my way to Calabasas. I'm gonna go show the people at Calabasas what's good. Or the zombies at Calabasas. I show them what's good. Dang, bro, this thing's fast. Chill out. New. Chill, chill. Oh, shoot. I hit the freaking side. Hold up. I'm driving like a crackhead. I'm not gonna ditch it here. I can't ditch it here. I have to. Alright, I'm gonna have to ditch this here. I will go to Calabasas and get a fuel tank. No, but I don't want to. Whatever. No, but the sterling though. Okay. I need a fuel tank to get. Okay. I'll drive this sedan all the way to Calabasas. I'm not even gonna go on the roads. I'm just gonna straight go to Calabasas. If I can get a thing from Calabasas and bring it back all the way over here, I can get my sterling back. I know there's still fuel in the sterling, but still, like, I didn't feel like there was any because it was only 7%. That thing uses a fuel like it's nothing. Okay. Chill, chill, chill. Wait, is there a plane in there? If there's a plane. Oh, wait, no. Actually, I think there might be a fuel tank in here. Oh, please. Please, 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 please. Come on, man. There's nothing in here. It's kind of trashy-o. Another compound boat. Trash. Another arrow. There's so much stuff around here, but I can't grab any of it. Okay, so there's no fuel tank in here, which I'm pretty unhappy about. I'm gonna go do a thorough search. Dang. That means I do have to go all the way to Calabasas, because there's a bunch of campgrounds around here. Honestly, I don't really like that, but alright. This thing doesn't go that fast either, so like... Hopefully I can get a blowtorch too, because my car was pretty low on health, because I rammed straight into that side rail. Ah, shoot, I dropped my phone doo-doo hole. Okay, so this is Calabasas, right? Yes. Yo, it says California. Ooh, is that a police? Is that a SWAT car? I might want that. I might want that. Where is a gas station? I'm gonna drive it straight into the wall, and then I'm gonna run. Hopefully, it is somewhere around here. Okay. Zombies can't climb ladders. Ouch. But they can smack me on the way up. I can't zoom in, so I don't know if there are gas stations in it. Jesus! What the heck, man? Why'd you blow up my car? Why'd you blow up my car, dog? I can't take all these zombies, so I'm gonna have to run through it. I broke my bone. God dang it. What an idiot. Breaking his stupid bones. His weak 3-year-old bones. Oh, there's a car repair store. I might be able to get something out of there. Okay, there's clothes here. So I'm gonna get that clothes shop after I'm out of here. Hopefully there's a pharmacy around here too. Because I'll be able to get... Okay, I need a pistol because there's a bunch of civilian vests. Dang, that thing has nothing on it, bruv. Yeah, civilian vest has like 2 spots on it. 2 spots! And even then, I can't carry anything on it. I'd rather not have ammo than not have gas. Okay, so now I have a gas tank. And my bone is magically healed. The police station was somewhere around back over there. So I'm gonna go back over there and I'm gonna try to grab. Oh shoot, I'm really low on health. I'm gonna eat a little bit. Hey, there's a hospital somewhere back there. I'm gonna look around for the hospital and find that hospital because I need the materials from there and I need to heal myself with them. This headlamp is pretty helpful because then I'm gonna be able to see while I move. I just need to make sure I scout out wherever I'm going because if I don't, then the inevitable death that is coming towards me will come faster. Just slowly and steadily move towards the pharmacy. I don't think there's a hospital. I think the hospital is down that way north. Okay, there's the fire department. There's a bank over there. There's the car repair store. Or car repair facility. There's the grocery. Alright. Antibiotics, dude. These things are like the best things in the world. Because... Okay, vaccine. I need vaccine. No, give me the vaccine. Give me that vaccine. Let me inject myself with the vaccine. Oh yeah, there we go. Adrenaline. That'll make me run around like I have no head. And water. Oh, these water purification tablets are extremely helpful, especially when I have the canteen filled. Ooh, dressing. Okay, I need a splint just in case I break my leg again like an idiot. There we go, splint. I'm gonna have to drop a lot of my food. Or those chips are not gonna help because they're chips. So splint to fix my stupid leg. Bandage, bandage, bandage. Purification tablets. Dang, really? Jeez, that takes up a lot of space though, dog. My diggity dog. Okay. I think that might be enough. Just barely. Actually, I'm just gonna use some of this and then put more. There. Now I'm at full health. I'm good. You can't follow me. Fool. Oh shoot. No, you can though. Hunting store. Alright, here we go. This is my lucky day. I'm gonna get some good guns out of this. Ace clips. Alright. I don't like the ace personally, but alright. Single shot shotgun. That's probably the dumbest thing I've ever heard of. Okay. Bad news. There's nothing here. Why does this exist? I don't get it. Why do you exist? It's literally just a master key except it shoots one bullet. Wait. Oh. Wait, what the heck? So it shoots 8 12 gauge instead of 2 12 gauge. Wait, into 220 gauge. That's kind of dumb. Okay. I need a better storage solution because I have no space. And that is more than likely going to be the death of me. Okay, there's a hospital right there. And here is some sports stuff. Caps, day packs. Oh, the black travel pack looks pretty spicy. Hold up. I need to drop this again. I'm gonna start using the Peacemaker because it uses a lot of ammo. Okay, I just attracted every zombie in the city toward me, but no matter, I have tons of ammo, so. Ow, stop. Don't smack me. Dang, I suck. Die already. Drop the empty mag. Actually, no. Reload the empty mag. There we go. Quarantine area. That's interesting. Then how do you get in? Oh, it's a dead zone. Run. That's kind of dumb. Alright. Some dude was chilling on his laptop and then freaking the zombie apocalypse happened. That must suck. Just you be vibing on your laptop and then boom, zombie apocalypse. Sit down. Oh, yo, GPS. Wet tops. I could imagine there'd be like a thug. Like a dude that wears like a thug suit. There's like bandanas and stuff. But why there's so many red guy or little hazmat suit dudes? Okay, I used winery. Alright. There's a lot of stuff around here and I'm not liking it. Okay, here we go. Here's the police station. Now I have a chance at survival. Okay. Damn it, I missed. Ow! Stop it. You offend me. Okay, I'm getting a bunch of experience for this though. So I'm not complaining. But I am getting awfully close to death a lot. But this boy right here, prison truck. Oh, it's not a SWAT car. Now I'm not happy. Now I am angry. Okay, there's nothing good in here. Oh, there's a blowtorch. That's extremely helpful. Okay, let me drop the empty magazines because that's not helpful. Empty magazines don't help anybody because they're empty magazines. Let me see, does the police bottom have more space than the military bottom? Ah, damn it. I like the corduroy white. I like the other bottom. These are really high detailed items. This one's made by a studio, like a studio of people. It wasn't made by Unturned, so I'm actually pretty. Oh. What does this note say? Doesn't say anything. It's just a piece of paper. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. Oh, yo, tactical light. Let me put that on here, bro. Ooh. There's kind of no point to a tactical light if you can't use it like a tactical light. Anyway. Cobra tactical laser. There we go. This is a lot better for a tactical thing. Tactical laser. There we go. Much better. Alright, there's Cobra, which I could use as a secondary as soon as I'm out. Okay, I'm just gonna drop the Peacemaker because this thing is gonna only last me a few more minutes. Won't even last me a minute longer. Come on. Sir, excuse me. Pardonnez-moi. Pardon me? Excusez-moi? What? Now it's working. That's kind of stupid. Another tactical laser. Cobra magazine. I'm gonna put this Cobra right here. Now I'm gonna put this I'm gonna put this tactical laser on the Cobra. Because that's what friends do. They put things on each other, I think. Anyway, the knife is still a pretty good choice for a secondary. I mean, I'm not even gonna complain. Yo, there we go. That's what I was looking for. Okay, that does not assist me whatsoever. So I'm gonna keep the headlamp because the night vision sucks on that thing. Why not just put that on there? The heck? Yeah, so there's no point to the civilian thing. I'm just gonna put. Nah, I have to have this on, bruh. Headlamp is so much better. I might get military night vision in a little bit, and I'll use that. But in the meantime, no, go there. What is there? There's nothing there. That's awfully stupid. But anyway, like, Alright, so I made some pretty good progress right now. I've gotten myself a lot of ammo, guns, and health. So, I'm gonna have to leave it here. I got 4 weapons, I got the fuel tank, and I got the blowtorch. So, I'm gonna be heading back to over here, the Big Sur Resort. I actually might go right here because that seems like a little military outpost. But I'm gonna have to leave it here. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. If you did, smash like. See you next time.